Well, hello again, and now we are in the discussion part of what we just talked about with the Big Five personality test. So here's an opportunity for you to reflect. This personality tests are very kind of centered on you and who you are and understanding more about yourself. So reflecting once we have kind of some new information is always a good opportunity. It helps solidify some of these things. It helps us find if there's anything that maybe we think about ourselves differently than the test thought about us. That's an opportunity to really kind of search ourselves and see, are we right, or did the test maybe reveal some blind spots for us on this? I like to think of myself as a very conscientious person, but if I score really low on it, which I did in the Big Five test, then maybe there's some areas for improvement for me to act outwardly the way I want to act in regards to conscientiously helping people. So again, this is a time to reflect, and then in the response that's due on Sunday, it's an opportunity with your classmates to find similarities and differences. That in a virtual setting is rare, where you can really see how you are similar and different to other people. This is going to be an opportunity to find some of those realities. So as you comment, make sure you continue to be respectful of those differences. Celebrate the similarities when you're able to celebrate. Remember, 400 words on the post due Thursday by midnight, and then 200 words on a reply due Sunday by midnight. Continue to do those things. You'll score well, and we'll continue to make it a great term. Thanks, y'all.